Online tool, email to image. This tool does precisely that. It takes a supplied email address, the font you so choose. I'll choose a background color and text color. The font size, I'll go with something decent and big. I'm not going to select text shadowing or transparencies. And then hit generate, and it creates an image accordingly. There we go. And that can now be downloaded and used in documents, websites, or anything else with very little chance of getting spam having been put on assorted lists. Good little tool.